Melissa here, coming on today to share a couple of tags with you, and I also have a small tutorial for my creative time. And yeah, let's just jump right in. All right, so this will be for my creative time, and I'll have all of my links down below, so make sure you check those out. Head over and get you some of these goodies. All right, so I'm going to start off with this one here. We're using the scallop tag dies, as well as the wavy regular tag dies. And I'm sorry, I accidentally washed off what these were called, but I think they're the girl and boy gender dies. I'm not definite, but like I said, they'll be linked down below. I'm also using this Fun Christmas paper pad for both sets of tags. All right, and that's it. So let me just show you that a little bit more close. I love these tags because there's so many different options that you can use to make these tags. I mean, like you can leave that little icing strip out or that centerpiece there out. It's up to you how you want to use it, but so many different options, and these little gingerbread people just fit just perfectly on those tags. I love that. And then the next tag that I'll be showing you, I am going to be using the mini bow dies, and I'm using this one here. I am also using this sweet gingerbread person. And then from the ice cream die set, I am using this right here as a little small banner piece. And I will be using the Sweet Holiday Wishes stamp and die set. So there goes the stamps there. And if you didn't see before, that's how they look. And then I am also using this envelope set here. It's envelope holiday set, and it comes with this right here. I'm going to be using that little snowflake there, as well as a bunch of circle dies, and I'm using this circle as well as this one here. All right, I think that's it. Let me show you my cute little tag. There she goes. Isn't she adorable? I thought I would go with the Peachy Keen stamp set for the face this time. And there goes her Sweet Holiday Wishes, as well as that snowflake there. And this cute little bow, I got that popped up a little bit. And there goes that die set, that circle die set. It is just the cutest. And then that measures up so perfectly on the back side, so you can have a nice clean area to stamp on the back side. But just so cute. One more look at these tags. So cute. Now let's jump into that quick tutorial. So I had one of my subscribers ask me how to use this candy cane, or what's an easier way to put it together. So I told her I would show her in a quick tutorial. So let me just bring this down here so that I can show you what I've done. All right, so what I've done is I've cut out this piece here and the top piece here. So I'm using this as a stencil. Once you cut out this piece here, you can use that as a stencil. Just put the back piece, layer it in there, and then all you do is just, hopefully this glue works, go ahead and, oops, that's too much glue there, but just pop your glue down and go ahead and start putting all the pieces back in. Hopefully that won't stay. I put too much glue there, so don't do what I did. But you can just pop all your pieces right in to your candy cane. And just make sure it's kind of even there. That one might be a little bit off, but that was my fault. It slid on me. But just make sure they're in there. Just layer them up there. And this one might stick. Hopefully it won't. But, you know, leave it for a second or two. Make sure it's all even. Mine might be a little off, but just use that as a stencil, like I said. And then once it's done, and it's dry, just go ahead and pull off that washi tape there. And it should come out. That bottom piece on mine might stick a little bit, but that's only because I put too much glue onto it. And it did stick a little bit, but you understand what I was trying to say. It goes in perfectly though. So that's my little tutorial. But one more look at these cuties. And make sure you use the links below. And go over there and get you some of these goodies. And visit my Creative Times blog. And I'll have all of her links down below, as well as her YouTube channel. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.